Hi guys, we are trying to feed the cats over here. We got and pet the cats. Easy does it, guys. Easy does it.
Wait, just let him eat.
Yeah, he's got to eat.
It looks like the tails. Let's go. Wait, let him eat. Let him eat.
Yeah, let him eat, huh, guys? It's a bunch of wild cats over here. Well, I guess most of them are former cats, but not all of them. I mean, former pets.
I think this one is like
Wow, look at this, guys. A lot of people come and give them food.
this one is flat.
We made some tuna mixed with rice for them.
I think this one is...
Yeah, a lot of people just give them regular cat food, and there's a bunch of that. Gentle, guys. You don't want to scare them. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, Andrei. Let her play with the cat. Just be gentle, okay? You guys be super gentle, and the cat's gonna be nice.
I think he's going to nap.
Andrei, I got the spoon, I think, somewhere. Did I bring you the spoon? I might have it. Let's see. Here, you can get us a spoon and try to give her with the spoon. Yana, Scarlett, come here, baby. Come here. Is he eating with the spoon? Let me see. Oh, yeah. That is so cool. Scarlett, look how Andrei's feeding the cats with the spoon, you see? Good job.
Papa, are we staying here until Mama comes?
We're gonna stay maybe a little bit more to feed the cats. Wow, look at that cute cat. He's sitting right there on a...
No,
right
I'm staying
there.
here until Mama comes.
You're gonna stay here till Mama comes. Okay. Alright. Those guys over there are having a little siesta going on. Some cleaning. Yeah. Hey, Scarlett. Oh yeah, no more shoes. Good job. That is so cool. Look, Andrei is feeding them with the spoon, huh? Hi, guys, you are too funny. Here, let me go around so I can make that video. Easy, Scarlett. Not.
You kissed it.
No, not kissing it. Yeah, it's got his tail got clipped or something.
Well, I think he's just laughing it because it's...
We're right off the road over here, so it's not a very great spot, but this is where these cats live. There's a couple of places in Hawaii where, well, actually a lot of places and a lot of wild cats. Ooh, I've seen a cool one. It's right there. I think she's young. Let's see. Oh yeah, look how beautiful that one is.
Oh, there's a gray one.
Oh, there's a couple of them. Oh, there's a light gray one right there. Oh yeah, so nice. You wanna go with the... Okay, let's see if he's gonna eat it. Oh yeah, they're kind of running away, guys.
Yummy,
Yummy, yummy. Oh, there we go. I think some are friendlier than others, guys, you see? You can pet easy, Scarlett. Easy, easy, easy. They're gonna be running, guys, so you gotta be careful. Andrei's got, what, 3, 4 cats over there. Oh, he came to that bowl over there, huh?
Look at this mixed up cat food.
You got mixed up cat food with rice. What's up? What are you doing, Scarlett? Look, you have the cat right behind you eating all the cat food. That's the friendly one, guys. You can pet that one. That one's very friendly. Easy, easy.
Don't pet, don't
Yeah, easy pet, easy pet.
So let me feed him. Let me.
That one looks like a tiger. Oh, you feeding it? Good with the spoon? I love it, love it.
I think I was trying to want to.
You wanna pet him too? Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Don't go quickly.
Easy does it. That one, let's see, is that one gonna eat? Don't go too close, but just put your hands out and see if she's gonna eat. Closer, you gotta go closer. She might not want anything, I think, guys. Yeah, she doesn't want anything. Well, that one might eat.
Gotta have some food.
Come, Scarlett, let's go here. I know, baby. I think she's not hungry. She's not hungry. Bye, little cat.
Papa, I want to see the gray.
Cum face pisica?